Are you speaking with intonation?
Welcome to the Love of Business. I'm Crystal.
And I'm Sunshine. Let's get to it. Intonation, tone. I barely know how to say it, let alone what does it mean.
Well, just think about the tone of when you're speaking. And when you speak, your voice will go up and down depending on what you're expressing.
Okay.
So when you use intonation, you engage and better express emotion in your communication.
To emote. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. So you want us to use inflections,
Yes,
with our voice, but do your best not to sound like a drone?
correct.
Or a robot? Monotone?
That's right. Have you ever listened to someone who sounded like a robot or a drone?
Not for very long.
You probably took a nap.
Well, I can't sleep with one eye open. Give us some tips on how to not do this or how to speak with intonation.
Can do. 3 easy ways to improve your intonation. Number 1, record yourself and then listen to that recording so you can see where you need to improve. Number 2, stress words that you feel are important when communicating. Number 3, listen and observe other people and how they speak and use intonation.
What's your number 1 takeaway from today's video? Leave us a comment and thanks for watching.